Hi, I'm Ben Parkin. I'm the Barcode Solutions Sales Manager from Cobalt Systems, and I'm here to talk to you today about our advanced packing station solutions and how they can help your business. Retail has changed a great deal in a short space of time. People today buy huge numbers of products online, and much of the time they want either same or next day delivery. To keep customers satisfied, the logistics side of your business has to keep pace. One way this can be achieved is through more efficient packing station solutions. This is where Cobalt's packing stations come in. They help you streamline the packing process, boosting your productivity and helping you to fulfill more orders in a shorter space of time. A typical packing station consists of a Zebra fixed scanner, which can be coupled to a zero-liner label printer. The packages are passed under the fixed scanner, automatically printing the shipping label on the zero-liner printer. This greatly reduces the amount of handling required, as the scanner can read a barcode in any orientation, and there's no longer a need to pick up a handheld scanner. Although there are many connectivity options, we can connect the fixed scanner using just a USB cable. This makes the deployment of these very straightforward when swapping out your traditional handheld scanners. Once scanned, the zero-liner printer generates and dispenses a label, ready to apply to a pack with no messy backing paper to deal with. Getting rid of the backing paper in the solution cuts waste and disposal costs, as well as being far more environmentally friendly. Also, the removal of the gap means that you don't need to change as many rolls between runs, further enhancing efficiency and productivity. Compared to traditional methods, increases of well over 30% are achieved with a packing station solution, and they tend to offer a rapid return on investment. Book a call with us to find out more.